This is the first time you've been here since the conviction on 45 counts. Let me just ask you, that had to be at least a satisfying outcome for you.
It was a very satisfying outcome for a number of different reasons. As you know, this was a thorough investigation conducted by the Office of Attorney General, conducted by career prosecutors, career investigators, with the assistance of the Pennsylvania State Police, and in fact, additional state police once I became governor. It was satisfying in the respect that a pedophile is now going to sit in jail for the rest of his life, where he well deserves to be. 45 of 48 counts demonstrates that the jury actually looked at every count, didn't just walk in there and say, yeah, he's guilty of everything, let's go. They went through it very thoroughly, and they weighed the evidence to the facts and to the law and made their determination. And I think that should give the people greater confidence in the jury system. It was all subject to cross-examination, so we really got to test the statements of the individuals. Satisfying in regard to it's the completion of a phase of investigation that I started, that unfortunately continued into when I became governor. Didn't have the ability to complete it. I would have loved to have completed it, but I will never rush an investigation for a artificial deadline. To me, the deadline in an investigation is when you have sufficient facts and information that you believe you can get convictions in the case. There has been criticism in the past of why I didn't charge right after the very first report, and that would be the young man from Clinton County. And I think it's clear now, and especially if you talk to victim advocates and people that have done this kind of work, that very hard in a one-on-one case. But when you present a series of victims and the consistency in the testimony, not absolute consistency, but consistency in demonstrating the modus operandi, for want of a better term, of Mr. Sandusky. Thank you. Mm-hmm. I'm trying to blot the name out.
I don't blame you. I think we all are.
That this investigation was conducted in order to get somebody off the street, not to lose the investigation, and we were successful. And that is really what the people should be taking a look at.